Hello, good to see you on the channel how to use it, and in that video we're gonna talk about functions len and trim. It's very easy functions and we will learn it in very fast way, but we can use that functions in our future some lessons more difficult. That's why if you want to know what we will do in next videos, you have to know how it works. For example, we have some text in that cell and I input bigger text. Let's wrap in that text in one column, in one cell, in that way. And let's imagine we have to calculate how many symbols with spaces we have in that cell. Len, choose that cell, enter. We receive 20 symbols and agree with author Google Sheets. He helped us calculate all symbols in that cell. And now about function trim. For example, we have some spaces at start of our cells, then we have some words and have some spaces in the end of our cells. We can see that spaces maybe at the beginning of our row we can see that, but in the end we don't predict that we have some spaces in the end, but if we pull it down, that function calculate also spaces. But if we have to calculate without spaces at the begin and the finish, we have to use function trim, enter. And now we have less figures, less number than we had previously. So thank you for watching, thumbs up to this video, subscribe to the channel and go to the next video.